Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to generate barcode in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the Excel sheet, here I have some products, their code number. The requirement is to create the barcode here in the column C. For this, I can click on this code number, then click on the developer tab, click on macros. Here you can see this generate barcode macro. Select the macro, then run this. Here you can see the barcode is generated. To generate multiple barcodes at once, you can select the range of code numbers, then again click on the macros, then run this generate barcode macro. Here you can see the barcode for every single product is created. So here I'll show you how you can do this in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First of all, select these rows and increase the row height by going to this format option, then click on row height. Make the row height 50, then click on OK so that there will be sufficient space for the barcode. Next, we have to install the VBA code required for generating the barcode. The VBA code is here in this notepad document. I'll provide this code link in the video description section from where you can copy this code. First of all, select all this code given here, then right click and copy. Go to Microsoft Excel sheet, then click on the developer tab, then Visual Basic. Here in the VBA window, click on the insert, then module, and here in the module page, right click and paste the copied code. Close this VBA window. Now to create the barcode, you can click on the code number, then click on the developer tab, then macro. Here click on this generate barcode macro, then click on the run button. Here you can see the barcode is created. To create multiple barcodes at once, select the range of code numbers, then click on macros, then run this generate barcode macro. And here you can see all barcodes are created. If you want to save this macro for future use, then you have to save this Excel workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the file tab, save as, and here in the type of the file, you have to select this Excel macro enabled workbook. Then save the file. If you don't need the macro later, you can simply go to VBA, then remove this module from here. Right click and click on remove module 1. Click on no, then the module gets removed. Now you can save this Excel workbook as a normal Excel file. So this is all about how we can generate products barcode in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.